Hello, dear students. Today we will discuss a delightful story from your Class 10 English book, A Triumph of Surgery, by James Herriot. This is a humorous and heartwarming tale about a spoiled dog, Tricky, and his overindulgent owner, Mrs. Pumphrey. One day, Dr. James was driving his car when he saw Mrs. Pumphrey walking Tricky down the street. He immediately noticed that the dog looked unwell. Tricky had become hugely fat, his eyes were red, and his tongue was hanging out. He seemed exhausted and lacked energy. Seeing this, Dr. James inquired about Tricky's health from Mrs. Pumphrey. Dr. James inquired about Tricky. Mrs. Pumphrey explained that Tricky was looking listless and weak. She believed it was because of malnutrition, so she has been giving him extra meals. Further, Dr. James asked about Tricky's diet and learned that he was being fed rich food, including malt, cod liver oil, and Horlicks, along with sweet treats like cakes, chocolate, and cream. He also inquired if Tricky was exercising, but Mrs. Pumphrey confessed that the only walk with her and did not play games like before. After understanding Tricky's condition and routine, Dr. James advised Mrs. Pumphrey to reduce Tricky's food intake and increase his exercise. He firmly instructed her to follow a strict diet. Mrs. Pumphrey admitted that it would be difficult for her, but she agreed to try. Mr. James receives an expected call from Mrs. Pumphrey a few days later. Mrs. Pumphrey called Dr. James and informed him that Tricky had stopped eating and had been vomiting. She also told him that Tricky spent all his time lying on the rug, inactive, with his eyes wide open. Mr. James knew that the only way to cure Tricky was to get him out of the house for some time. He suggested that Mrs. Pumphrey hospitalize him for a fortnight for a surgery observation, so that the proper treatment could follow. Mrs. Pumphrey was heartbroken but agreed to let Dr. James take Tricky with him to the clinic. Tricky was wrapped in a blanket, and as Dr. James carried him to the car, the maids packed all of Tricky's luxuries belonging, including his beds, cushions, toys, and balls. However, Dr. James drove off quickly as his car could not carry everything. Looking in the mirror, he saw that everyone was in tears. At the hospital, Tricky initially lay motionless on the carpet. Other dogs sniffed around him but soon lost interest as he did not respond. Dr. James put Tricky on a strict water diet for 2 days. By the third day, Tricky started to show interest in his surroundings. He joined the other dogs in the garden and began running around actively. Over the next few days, he became playful, fighting for food with the other dogs and even chasing rats at night. Tricky had fully adapted to his new environment. Mrs. Pumphrey concerned. Mrs. Pumphrey would call the clinics several times a day, annex about Tricky's recovery. Dr. James assured her that Tricky was fine but did not entertain her concerns about the dog's comfort. As Tricky's health improved, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending extra food like eggs, wine, and brandy. Since Tricky no longer needed them, Dr. James and his partner enjoyed these delicacies. Once Tricky had completely recovered, Dr. James informed Mrs. Pumphrey that she could take him home. She arrived within half an hour, overjoyed to see Tricky's energetic again. The moment he saw her, Tricky jumped into her lap and started licking her face. Mrs. Pumphrey was delighted and called this treatment a triumph of surgery. That was the summary of a triumph of surgery. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to Gyan Tarang for more educational content. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.